guys, welcome back to my channel. And y'all, I was hungry today. Based on the thumbnail, you probably saw everything I'm having, but let me just give y'all a quick rundown. So we have some Asian influenced food today. We have sausage, beef or steak and onions over a bed of rice. And over here is my what are you doing plate. We have, you guys, pinwheel and some shrimp tempura. So you're probably like, what are you doing? But I'm done talking. Let's eat. So you know what we got on deck already. Can to dry. You know, already know what we got. And I had to rock the straw today because the bendy straw. I love that sound. Is it just me? Okay, it's time to eat, y'all. I'll give you an up close look. Look at it. Guys, this is the food of the day. And once I start, you know, switching plates, you'll see me switch plates. There's something different with the meat. I was Asian inspired, Korean, Asian cuisine. It was good. It was good. I have this random sausage here, right? Those onions. Oh, they do that. I see the steam coming off that. Want a bite? Oh. As y'all see, the background different. Well, yeah, y'all probably know the background. You probably don't, actually. But I was able to get my studio set up. So, better lighting. So it's literally all about the food. I gotta make sure y'all actually can see the food. And you have onions, really like onions. I can eat caramelized onions and salsa with some mustard with no problem. Oh, this is good. I'm rocking some overalls today. I really can't see the outfit, but I'll get some overalls. I did my nails. Can y'all tell? Today. I usually kind of combine my nail day and my film days lately. But, no, I ain't going to my mouth that much because your girl hungry. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and get some ketchup with this. Oh. It's horrible. Ooh. Look, I caught that right on time. You know how bad this would have been if that would have happened? Because I would have to stop filming and been real upset. I use the Kroger buyer, so the spicy brown mustard. Y'all, if you haven't tried it, please try it. Please. 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 Dip it in there like that. You want a bite? One more again. Just one more again. A little bit wrong. It's a little bit. Ain't gon'. No. Oh, the spittle. I am prepared for the spittle. What I say, y'all? Protect from messes. Okay, y'all good to go now. This big onion right here is calling my name. Let me go ahead and load it up. I know people have a name for their like creations. I'm gonna go ahead and create this onion boat. But it's not really working, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat this like that. Excuse me, guys. Is it wrong how I'm so concentrated on eating my food? This was the first meal I had all day. It's probably around 4 something. 5 maybe. Hubby was not happy with me at all. But sometimes, you know, artistry takes that much time. In my head, I didn't know where to go first. I was like, ooh, don't want that. No, I could finish one plate at a time. Cause this sausage is doing it. I guess I was behaving more civilized enough for the part of the video. Let's bite it. All that thumping you hear is upstairs, and my husband is getting frustrated with the dog. Mm. 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 Oh yeah. We out of the soda that I poured. Well, here we go, some more. Oh yeah. Oh, look, it's my mukbang. I'm thinking about me watching this video. I'm like, oh, that sounds good. Do y'all do that too? Okay. So we have shrimp tempura. Yes, look at them, y'all. And some wrap rolls. Call it roll-ups. Chicken rolls. Chicken rolls. You know what's coming. Really? It's gonna come out. So, what I have now is the sauce to go with the temple. Oops, hold on. Y'all, don't tell me this is me proof. I can't. Oh. Don't tell me. I gotta cut it. Oh, y'all. Okay, got it. Ooh, can I see? Ooh, ooh. Okay, I don't want to get on my rolls though, so I'm good. Can y'all see? Mm. Oh. All right, and there's gonna be some crunch factor for y'all, okay? Because I air fried these babies. Hold on, I air fried them, y'all. Ooh, shrimp tempura. Ooh, shrimp tempura. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. Mmm. God. Oh no. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. They done did it now. These baby's big too. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. God. I don't do a show. I'm gonna go crunch. This one's just soaked in the sauce. Can't see it. Oh, that's good. Yes, sir. It's stupid good. You mean? Okay, I'm gonna let these marinate in a sauce. One more sip. These are this is a chicken wrap roll. It's called chicken wrap, right? Chicken wrap rolls. Chicken roll-ups. They're famous at Costco. They're wild. If you have a Costco and you've had these, they're famous. They're popular. It has romaine lettuce or spinach. No, romaine lettuce. Chicken, cream cheese, Swiss, and y'all cranberries. So this is a cranberry cream cheese, y'all. Only y'all good angle out, bite it. It's got a little chill on it, y'all. Hot sauce. It's cold. It looks cold. The cream cheese, y'all, is the best part. For me, at least. It's really cold. It like seeps in my teeth. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh no. My burps, y'all. My burps are weak. They're so weak. So cold. Oh, he's ready. He's ready for my mouth. You want a bite? Take a big bite, y'all. Take a big bite. Y'all watch the channel? It's so good. Oh my gosh, she's one of the best. She's so nice. Her food, she be cooking. Do not worry, mon frères. Is it mon frères? Oh, don't cut myself. Okay, don't cut myself. Okay. And look at it. I got more sauce. What we're gonna do is let these babies sit and think about what they need to do. We're working on this one. It's an up close look. It's cream cheese for me. Cream cheese. A little bit in dressing. What would this taste like in the sauce? Do I want to try it? I want to ruin it. Nope. I'm out of soda, but I do have water. Y'all gonna be like, what? Oh, I have water. for the people who don't have a gun show happening. This earring right here. Whatever. But y'all, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, ooh, look at that. Ooh, y'all, look at. Ooh. Ow. Come on. Come on. It is so good. Premium style shrimp tempura. I'm pretty sure I just ate a tail. Yep. The crunch in there. Remember how I was like, I don't want this to become, I'm not a mukbang channel? Remember I said that? Remember I said that, right? I know y'all remember that. Oh, I'm not eating a scale. Yes, I am. It's crispy going down this time. Y'all, let's wash this down. Done. I'm full. Thank you guys for watching this channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Peace.